Hi, thank you for joining us to a new uploaded video, a beautiful design team namely modern mountain homes. Have you ever dreamed of a holiday home, a mountain home or a modern cabin that stands out and it's noticed? If the answer is yes, watch our video. Surely you will enjoy these images of fabulous brand new home interiors in mountain cottage design style. What can you find here? You will discover several modern brand new mountain homes with well-conceived interiors where the predominant element is wood from the walls, flooring and ceiling to furniture and decorative accessories. Another important characteristic of these beautiful homes is the wood burning stove that replaces the common stone fireplace. Anyway, you will be amazed by the beauty of these home interiors, and what is the best, you can easily adapt this style for your own home even if you are living in a modern city apartment. You will find in our video beautiful modern homes which does not necessarily resemble the well-known traditional alpine style homes. You will see that modern architecture and designs are particularly fascinating in the middle of mountain landscapes. The unicity of location has captured the creativity of architects and designers with spectacular and unusual home interiors. Just look at this magnificent home interior seen from above, lighted and tiny living area with high ceiling and huge panoramic views. The combination of colors and materials is amazing. It brings a feeling of modern elegance and comfort. What about this typical cabin-style living room? A candle and a wood-burning stove creates a peaceful and serene space, perfect for rest and relaxation. bathroom are in the same tone as living and dining room, warm, comfortable and inviting. Just look at this bathroom from this image, so simple decor but with a cozy and elegant look. Look at this image if you are still wondering how to design and furnish your home into a mountain home design style. Simple, fancy, cozy and elegant. After all, a mountain style home's decor is the perfect choice for an environment that creates the right mix of style for comfort and, why not, hospitality. Here you can see an adorable living room. Again, the large panoramic windows that let you to immerse in the gorgeous mountain view. Stylish furniture choice and a super pendant light fixtures. Another charming bedroom design idea. Although it is located in the attic, it is far from the claustrophobe or cramped. The wooden walls and the color palette create a coziness and comfortable feeling. Here you can see an example of outdoor arrangement with a large wooden deck, 2 wooden benches and a small bonfire. We sincerely hope you like our video and you have found here valuable, inspiring ideas for your own home makeover. Please write your opinion in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.